Stuck on a Coursera assignment and can't find the post button? Learn exactly how to create a forum post that gets answers fast. So here's the thing. You're working through a course, you hit a wall, and you know the answer is probably in the discussion forums. But when you get there, it feels like you're wandering through a maze. Where's the button? How do you even ask a question? I've been there, and it's frustrating. But I promise, once you know the flow, it takes about 60 seconds. We'll walk through opening your course, navigating to the forums, and crafting a post with the right title, body, and category. Let's start from your dashboard. All right, start by opening up your specific course from your Coursera dashboard. You're already logged in, so just scroll through your My Learning section, find the course you're working on, and click into it. This is your home base for everything related to that class. Now, look at the left-hand side of your screen. There's a course menu there, and you're looking for the tab that says Discussion Forums. It might be a little further down the list, but it's there. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to the main hub where all the conversations are happening. You're in the forums now. See that button at the top right that says Create Post? Click it. This is where everything starts. And here's the really important part. Now you've got a blank form in front of you. First up, write a clear title. Think of this as the headline for your question. Instead of something vague like, I need help, try something specific like, Stuck on Week 2 Quiz, Question 3. The more specific you are, the more likely someone who actually knows the answer is going to click on it. Then, fill out the body of your post. This is where you explain what's going on. Be honest about what you've already tried. Did you rewatch a certain video? Did you check the reading materials? Including that context is huge because it shows you've done the work, and it helps people avoid giving you advice you've already tried. Now, pay attention to this one. Before you hit publish, take a second to select the most relevant category for your topic. Most courses will have categories like general, assignments, or quizzes. Choosing the right one isn't just for organization. It actually routes your question to the right people, like your peers or even the course mentors. It makes a big difference in how fast you get a reply. Once you've got your title written, your body filled out with good details, and the correct category selected, go ahead and click the Post button. That's it. You're published. And honestly, that's the whole process. From I'm stuck to I've asked for help in just a few clicks. I'm from AI Mastery, and we put this guide together because we know how valuable these forums are. They're not just a place to complain. They're a direct line to people who have already figured out exactly what you're struggling with. So next time you hit a wall, you know exactly what to do. Open your course, navigate to the forums, write a clear post, and ask away. Good luck.